Hello all. In this video we are going to discuss about the protein factory of cell, which is nothing but the ribosome. In our last video we are finished with the cell trafficking cell postman, that is Golgi, where the proteins are packaging and also transferred to different destination point. So here is the protein factory, which is a ribosome. It was discovered by George Emile Pallade in 1955. So let us discuss about the protein factory. Ribosomes are most important cell organelles composed of RNA and protein that convert the genetic code into a chain of amino acid. Here is the mRNA. Ribosome divided into two different parts, that is larger subunit and smaller subunit. In between these two subunits there is a chain of mRNA. Here is the chain of mRNA, is a single stranded as it is RNA. Here is the mistake, mRNA. So make sure it is mRNA. And here is the tRNA, that is transfer RNA. tRNA have a amino acid binding site where the amino acids are attached to the tRNA, and tRNA also contain triplet code, and the strand of mRNA read the code of tRNA and attached with the mRNA help in protein synthesis, as all the 20 amino acids are responsible for the synthesis of a protein during translation. So, a ribosome is a complex molecular machine found inside the living cell. Ribosome present inside the living cell including plant and animals that produce protein from amino acids during the process called translation, which I already told you. The process of protein synthesis is a primary function which is performed by all living cells. What about the location of ribosome? Ribosome can be found floating within the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Here is a cell. It may be found floating here inside the cytoplasm or may be attached with the endoplasmic reticulum. Here is the endoplasmic reticulum, which is just near the nucleus, and these dots are the ribosome. The location of ribosome in a cell determines what kind of protein it makes. If it present inside the cytoplasm, it produces a different type of protein. If it embedded inside the ribosome, also it form a different type of a protein. So, the attachment site of ribosome indicate the type of a protein it synthesized. When ribosome attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, it is referred as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Protein is made on the rough endoplasmic reticulum are used for inside the cell or outside of the cell. The protein which are synthesized by the ribosome attached with the endoplasmic reticulum, the protein may be used by inside the cell or outside of the cell. The number of ribosome in a cell depends upon the activity of the cell itself. Next is the structure of ribosome. Situated in two areas of cytoplasm, that is inside the cytoplasm, within the cytoplasm or attached in the wall of endoplasmic reticulum. Whenever joined to ear, they called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. The free and bound ribosome are very much alike in structure and are associated with protein synthesis. Around 37 to 62% of RNA is comprised of RNA and the rest is protein. Prokaryotes have 70S ribosome respectively, comprising the little subunit of 30 and bigger of 50. Prokaryotic ribosome, that is 70S. S stands for Sedgborg unit. 70S ribosome of a prokaryotic cell again divided into the smaller 30S and the larger 50S subunits. And in case of eukaryotes, it is 80S ribosome and divided into again two parts, that is smaller 40S ribosome and larger 60S ribosome subunit. The ribosomes seen in the chloroplast of mitochondria of eukaryotes are comprised of big and small units composed of protein inside the 70S particle. Both the prokaryotic and eukaryotic ribosomes share a center structure which is very much alike to all ribosomes. The RNA is arranged in a different tertiary structure. Here is the mRNA. The RNA in the bigger ribosome is into numerous continuous infusion as they create a loop out of the center of a structure without disturbing or alternating the subunits. The contrast between those of eukaryotic and bacteria are utilized to make antibiotics that can crush bacterial disease without damaging the human cell. Last part is function of ribosome. The first and main point, it is the protein factory of cell. They assemble amino acids to form specific protein, and proteins are the most essential part for the cellular activity of any living form. The genetic message from mRNA is translated into protein during the DNA translation. Translation is nothing but the process of protein synthesis. How the protein is synthesized inside the ribosome. The sequence of protein assembly during the protein synthesis are specified in the mRNA. The mRNA decide which type of tRNA is there, which type of proteins are assembly or proteins are going to synthesize in the arm of tRNA. So, assembly during protein synthesis of specified mRNA. The mRNA is synthesized in the nucleus and is transported to the cytoplasm for further process of protein synthesis. The proteins that are synthesized by the ribosomes present in the cytoplasm are used in the cytoplasm itself. The proteins produced by the bound ribosomes are transported outside of the cell. Basically, main function is synthesis of protein. So, here we finish with the protein factory, which is ribosome. If you have any query, please comment in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe my channel.